Chasing Innovation Gladius Mini, the runner-up best drone for underwater exploration in 2025. We're looking at a compact and portable device, perfect for budding photographers, researchers, and folks conducting security checks beneath the waves. The lightweight aluminum alloy frame makes this thing easy to carry and handle, and then the innovative motor design minimizes the risk of jamming in sandy environments. The Gladius Mini is packed with a remote control that supports both Wi-Fi and wired connections to mobile devices. It's stable data transmission all the way here, no connectivity issues during use whatsoever. With a top speed of 4 knots and a diving depth of up to 100 meters, this model is well suited for a range of underwater filming needs. The Gladius Mini also has a pretty impressive horizontal recording range of 200 meters and up to 4 hours of operation. The drone's imaging capabilities are enhanced by a Sony CMOS sensor and 2400 lumen LED lights. You'll appreciate the drone's ability to provide real-time feedback on underwater conditions such as temperature and depth that aid in data collection and analysis. The Gladius Mini's aerodynamic design makes it a practical choice for on-the-go adventures, fitting snugly into a backpack for easy transport. Whether you're documenting underwater life or conducting scientific research, the Chasing Innovation Gladius Mini offers a user-friendly and feature-rich experience for all your underwater exploration endeavors. Thumbs up, that's for sure.